Connor, never nice to lose any game. A tough test tonight. What's your thoughts on the game?
I thought it was a hard-fought game, obviously very hot conditions and whatnot, but we just didn't do quite enough to win the game, and in certain moments we weren't good enough. But I thought, Kumi's chance at the end there was maybe a chance to salvage something, but not to be, and we move on from it. But obviously, on a personal note, fantastic to actually be back on a football pitch again.
Obviously, the experience that you have gained now, plenty of caps under your belt, you would have come to so many places like this. It's about learning from these experiences, moving into the competitive games in September.
Yeah, certainly you have to learn every game, no matter how many caps you've got or we've got as a collective. It's learning every single situation, every single system we play against, and we try to play with. We have to know it inside out, and every game is a chance to hone those skills and knowledge that we do or don't have, and take them into the next campaign or the next friendly or whatever game it may be.
And as somebody who spent a lot of time on the treatment table, you touched on it there. Congratulations on your comeback. It's been a really tough season. And even with the defeat, obviously you can take so many positives away from being back on the pitch.
Yeah, of course, it's been bitterly disappointing for not to play football, not even be able to try and help my teammates for club or country for the last 12 months. And it's been emotional, it's been a tough time, and hopefully, like I say, I can put that chapter to bed now and move on and see what the future holds for myself and whatever teams I'm involved in.
Bring on September?
Yeah, of course.